Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at my Misty dividend tracker on my Google Sheets. So on the far left, you can see it shows amount invested, dividend payment, Misty total invested, dividend payment total, 22% to set aside for taxes, and then how much it will take to get to the break even point. So starting in May, I invested $26,465.49. And I didn't get that payment for Misty. I don't. I thought I bought it ahead of in a good amount of time to where I would have got it, but I did not, which is unfortunate because it was a good payment. But I did get my first Misty dividend in June, which was $1,723.66, and I bought more shares of it as well. So I bought $11,834.93. But I at a certain point I started really liking Misty and wanted to go all in on it. So what I ended up doing is kind of going all in July. In July, I invested $73,587.94, and the dividend I got that month was $2,173. Um, and and then I put some more money in August, and the biggest dividend payment I've gotten so far is the $6,025.53. I'm very happy with that amount. I know it's going to take me a little bit to get to the break even point. If the dividends keep paying on the lower end compared to what it's paid historically, I'm happy with the dividends, and I'm going to be patient with them, and just continue to buy Bitcoin and MSTR. I mean, my main focus was to accumulate as much Misty as possible, but I'm happy with that. Now I'm transitioning to focusing on Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. So I don't have that many shares of Bitcoin and MicroStrategy right now. It's mostly Misty, but moving forward, as I get the dividend payments, that is where I'm going to be allocating the money to. Okay, we will now be looking at my Robinhood account. So as you can see, the market value as of today today August 25th, Monday, at the time of the recording, I am at $95,106.15 with a dollar cost average of $21.65 for Misty. So this is the market value for all the Misty shares that I own currently. Okay, now we'll be taking a look at the amount that I'm down. So I'm currently down $26,581.97, which is 21.84%. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with being down this amount of money because what I care about is not necessarily the value going up and down. I'm not investing. I'm not growth investing, right? I invest in so I get the income every month, and then I'm going to use that to buy Bitcoin and Mister, and have those be the growth stocks that I want to invest in, while Misty will continue to pay me for however long it does well and last for. And here I'm just showing you the small amount of Bitcoin and MSTR that I currently have. But I will show updates as I get paid from Misty every 4 weeks to show you how much I'm accumulating. If I still plan to continue to accumulate Mister and Bitcoin, which I do as of right now. I am bullish on MicroStrategy and Bitcoin and want to get as many shares as I can. I'm leaning to buy more MSTR compared to Bitcoin because how I see MSTRs is investing and Bitcoin is saving.